Ramadan Kareem. Ramadan is the 9th month of the Islamic lunar calendar and is considered one of the holiest months for Muslims around the world. It is a period of fasting, prayer, reflection, and community for Muslims, commemorating the time when the Quran, the holy book of Islam, was revealed to the Prophet. Fasting during Ramadan is one of the 5 pillars of Islam, which are fundamental acts of worship and practice for Muslims. During this month, Muslims abstain from eating, drinking, smoking, and engaging in sinful behavior from dawn until sunset. The pre-dawn meal before the fast begins is called spiritual growth and reflection. Ramadan provides an opportunity for Muslims to deepen their connection with Allah through increased worship, prayer, and reflection. Fasting encourages self-discipline, self-control, and spiritual awareness. Empathy and compassion. Experiencing hunger and thirst during the fast allows Muslims to empathize with the less fortunate and those who face food insecurity on a daily basis. This empathy promotes a sense of social responsibility and charitable giving. Community and togetherness. Muslims gather for prayers, iftar meals, and other activities during Ramadan, fostering a strong sense of community and solidarity among believers. These communal experiences strengthen bonds and create a sense of belonging. Self-discipline and self-improvement. Fasting teaches self-discipline and control over one's desires. It can also serve as an opportunity to break bad habits and make positive changes in behavior. Physical benefits. While the primary purpose of fasting is spiritual, some studies suggest that intermittent fasting, such as that practiced during Ramadan, can have potential health benefits such as improved metabolic health, weight management, and enhanced insulin sensitivity. Reinforcement of values. Through increased acts of worship, Muslims are reminded of the core values of Islam, including gratitude, patience, humility, and gratitude. Detachment from materialism. Fasting encourages detachment from material possessions and a focus on spiritual and emotional well-being.